Welcome to Parade Academy, dear students. So today we will discuss water, a precious resources. This is standard 7 and science. Okay. So in this video we discuss all question answer, time to answer question answer, and your textbook question answer. So you will get all the data, all the question answer in this video. So let's start. So first time to answer is dash water can be drawn out by digging wells or by tube wells. So we already all known about the groundwater. So groundwater can be drawn out by digging wells and tube wells. The next question, question number B, dash is the main source of water on the earth. So main source of water is rainwater. Why? You told me also, sir, why not the sea water? Because sea water is saline water, that water not usable. So rainwater is mostly needed for our crop production, for our sweet water like pond, rivers. Okay. So that the main source of water on the earth is rainwater. Then question number C, so the continuous circulation of water from the earth to atmosphere and back to earth is called what? Water cycle. Next question number D is snow and frost are dash forms of water, solid forms of water. Question number D, solid forms of water. Only dash percent of fresh water is available in rivers, lakes and groundwater that is fit for human consumption. Only 0.8%. So remember, don't waste your water through taps, through any other thing. Okay. Then come to the next time to answer. This is your first time to answer, fill in the blanks. Then next time to answer is true and false. So first is, so you just read and look the book page. This is 199 page of your book, so you can check and read and you can write this answer into your book. So plants require water for photosynthesis. True. Major part of fresh water available on the earth is present in glaciers. True. Forest help in bringing rains. True. Construction of buildings, roads, etc. lead to decrease in the effective area of space of water. True. And due to increasing population, the water table is going down at an alarming rate. ये भी true. Okay, this true false is completed. Then next come to the your textbook question answer. This is first is your multiple choice question answer. You check from your book. The percentage of fresh water available on the earth is what? First I 2.5%. Sorry, 2.5%. The percentage of fresh water. Second I option. So World Water Day is celebrated every year on 22 March. Option 2. Option second I. The process of changing of ice into water called, question number C, melting. Melting IV. Which of the following state of water is called steam? So that is gas. The water table is going down due to dash. All of this: deforestation, increasing population, agricultural activities. So all of this, वाटर टेबल गोइंग डाउन, मतलब कि एग्रीकल्चर के लिए नीचे से पानी लाते हैं बोरिंग वेल करके, और पेड़ पौधा काटते हैं तो बारिश वहाँ पर नहीं होता है, और पॉपुलेशन ज़्यादा होगा तो ज़्यादा पानी का यूज़ होगा, तो इस वजह से होता नहीं है. देन क्वेश्चन एफ, सॉरी डी, हाँ एफ, द वाटर in sea and oceans is unfit for human consumption because it contains dash. It contains a lots of dissolved salt, too much sugar, oils, harmful gases. No. First option. A lot of dissolved salts. Then come to the fill in the blanks. Water gets circulated between the earth and the atmosphere through the dash water cycle. Snow and frost are examples of water existing in dash state in nature, solid state in nature. The main source of water on the earth is rainwater. Previously we read. The process of rainwater seeping into the ground is called dash infiltration. Seawater is dash in taste, salty in taste. Water from lakes and rivers is dash before it is supplied to our houses, purified. The next question number 3, this is your true false. Water is not a natural resources. False. Water is a natural resources. As there is a plenty of water available on the earth, we do not need to conserve water. False. Water जरूरी है. In nature, water exists in two forms. False. Three forms: solid, liquid, gas. Okay, not two nature. The rainwater gets polluted when it falls down from the sky and gets mixed with the smoke and dust in the air. True. The next E number question. This is in page number 202. You can check. So E number. A stream of water flowing through the forest is called an aquifer. False. F. The decrease in open areas like parks and playgrounds does not affect the level of water table. False. Okay, then question number 4, we will see. This is given a chart, flow chart. Given a flow chart, you can see here some fill in the blanks are there. So have you so source of water are, first is rainwater, then surface water, then groundwater. So surface water is a two type. One is saline water, that is in sea or oceans. Then fresh water, that is in rivers and ponds. Then saline water is sea and oceans, freshwater ponds, lakes and rivers. So groundwater we can take out wells, hand pumps, wells. Okay, so these are the points you can write in your book, and if you want to make this flowchart in your copy, then it is better. Then question number 5, very short answer type question. What is the process of water falling as a rain from the clouds called precipitation? Remember, when you write this short answer type question, you must write in full sentence. Okay. Then come to the question number B. When is the World Water Day celebrated every year? 22 March. Then question number C. What structures were made in ancient India to store water? Waris. What structure were made in ancient India to store water? Waris. D. What will happen to the ice when it is heated? When ice is heated, it starts melting to form water. E. Name the process of changing water vapor to water by cooling. So this is called condensation. The next is question number 6. Question number 6 is define infiltration. The process of sipping of rainwater into the ground is called infiltration. Question number B. What is spring water? The underground water that comes out from any weak point of the earth surface in the form of a spring is called spring water. Question number C. Write any one reason for the depletion of the water table. Increasing population is one of the reason. With increasing population, there is a surge in building construction work which leaves less open space for space of rainwater into the earth surface. This ultimately लीड्स टू डिफ्लेशन ऑफ वाटर टेबल. मतलब कि यहाँ पर जितना पॉपुलेशन ज़्यादा होता है तो यहाँ पर कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम ज़्यादा भी होता है, मतलब कि घर भी बहुत हो जाता है और जो रास्ता भी होता है वो मतलब कंक्रीट का हो जाता है, पक्का रास्ता जो हो जाता है पूरा पीछू से हो जाता है. तो इस वजह से पानी ज़्यादा सोख नहीं करता मिट्टी में. अगर पानी सोख नहीं करेगा वाटर टेबल बढ़ेगा कैसे? तो इस वजह से वाटर टेबल का डिप्लीशन हो जाता है, मतलब कि धीरे धीरे सूख जाता है. ज़्यादातर जो बारिश का पानी आता है वो तो सोख करेगा तब भी जाकर नीचे जाएगा ना फिर. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर डी, 6 number D. What is rain water harvesting? The process of collecting rainwater on the roofs of a house with deep trenches into the ground and storing it for later use is called रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. बारिश के पानी को स्टोर करके रखने को हम क्या बोलेंगे ना, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. What is water table? The level of underground water at a given place is called water table. Underground water का लेवल को हम क्या बोलेंगे ना, वाटर टेबल. देन ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन. सो बच्चे बोलते हैं कि ज़्यादा हो जाता है क्वेश्चन, लंबा हो जाता है. मतलब कि आप लोग अभी स्टैंडर्ड 7 में हो, जाहिर सी बात है थोड़ा क्वेश्चन ब्रीफली लिखा जाएगा. धीरे धीरे आगे जितना आगे बढ़ते जाओगे, जितना बड़े क्लास में जाते जाओगे तो आपका जो क्वेश्चन आंसर होगा लंबा ही होगा. अभी यहाँ 7 में भी थोड़ा सा है, ज़्यादा भी है, वैसा नहीं कि बहुत ज़्यादा है लिखा जाता है यहाँ पे, तो बहुत शॉर्टकट है. और आप लोग 5-6 में जैसे पढ़ रहे थे कि एक एक लाइन में हाँ हो जाता था आंसर, क्योंकि तब आप लोग बच्चे थे. अभी थोड़े बड़े हो रहे हो तो आपको ब्रीफली लिखना पड़ेगा. समझ रहे हो ना आप? ये मत समझना कि यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा लिखा जाता है तो इसको लिखेंगे नहीं ना. ये जितना होता है, जितना ज़रूरी है, मैं उतना ही यहाँ पर है जो लिखा गया है तो उतना ही देता हूँ, ज़्यादा नहीं है ये. तो एक्सप्लेन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन. एक्सप्लेन द वाटर साइकिल. सपोर्ट योर आंसर विथ द हेल्प ऑफ लेबल डायग्राम. सो द कंटिन्यूअस सर्कुलेशन ऑफ वाटर from the earth to atmosphere and back again to the earth is called water cycle. It is illustrated in the following figure. यहाँ पे ये वाले जो फिगर है आप लोग इस फिगर को कर सकते हो अपनी कॉपी पे. अदरवाइज कोई मार्केट से जाकर इसको प्रिंट आउट करके लेके आना है और आपका जो है कॉपी है उसमें चिपका देना है. So first is the following process occurs in the water cycle. First point is due to heating by the sun, water evaporates to form water vapor. Then the water vapor thus formed rises up in the air and condenses to form tiny droplets of water. The tiny droplets of water then stick to one another to form cloud. When the clouds become heavy with intake of more and more water droplets, the water droplets fall down in the form of rain. The rainwater then fills up the water bodies on the earth and they further vaporizes and formation of clouds again take place, and all the steps of the water cycle are thus repeated in the nature once again. The next question is question number B. So is water important for plants? Give reason to support your answer. Water is required by green plants for photosynthesis. Without water, photosynthesis cannot take place. So water is required for transpiration in plants by transpiration temperature of plants in maintain If water is not available, then transpiration will be affected in plants and temperature of plants may rise which may result in wilting and death of plants. Then water is also required for germination of seeds. Water is also necessary for translocation of nutrients from one part to another part of the plant. And then question number C. Some of the reasons for water scarcity are as follows. So, the major portion of the water available on the earth is present in seas and oceans. The water in the seas and oceans is saline and is not fit for human use. The major part of fresh water is trapped in the glaciers and polar ice caps and is not available for human consumption. And distribution of fresh water on the earth is very uneven. With increasing population, the water table is getting deflated at the alarming rate. It also results in water scarcity on the earth. ओके, तो यहाँ पे जितना है so water population. The next point is water pollution caused by various human activities further reduces availability of fresh water and adds to its scarcity. Then question number D. Question number D is list 4 ways by which water can be managed and conserved. Water can be conserved and managed by the following ways. Dams and reservoirs can be constructed to collect and store excess water for further use. Farmers can be encouraged to use modern irrigation techniques like drip irrigation to avoid wastage of water. Then, wastewater generated during cleaning and washing activities can be used for the purpose of watering the plants and washing the vehicles. This will help in conserving fresh water. Next point is rainwater harvesting technique can be implemented to collect and store rainwater for further use. Okay, that's it. Here is the end. In next video we'll see this is your forest hour offline. Till then, subscribe my channel and like and share with your friends. Thank you.